Welcome to Create Your Own Portable Road Trip Binder Kit with a few simple supplies that you can grab at the office supply store or even the dollar store. You can start with a 3-ring binder and some clear sheet protectors. Along with the sheet protectors, I also found a pencil zipper pocket that has the 3 holes in it to also include for small pieces. I found pom-poms and some craft sticks, and of course some dry erase markers to be extremely helpful for this kit. Caution: be aware of small pieces if your child is under 3 years of age. All activities should be supervised. If this is for an older child, perhaps a small base plate, along with some favorite Lego pieces that can also fit inside of the zipper pencil pouch in the binder for some busy work. Remember, I caution you, Legos can be a choking hazard, so please be sure that if any child is sitting next to a child with these pieces, that they're being supervised. Other items that can be extremely fun are making some images of road signs, or perhaps taking a copy of some pictures of license plates from different states. Kids love to look out the window and see what's out there. While on vacation, perhaps you might find some of these great things. With a dry erase marker, it can be very easy to just cross out the items that you see. Another fun project might be just as simple as a couple of craft sticks and pom-poms to make your own tic-tac-toe board. And if not that way, perhaps using a dry erase marker and just making some cross lines to set up your tic-tac-toe board. It can be so easy, taking turns with the tic-tac-toe, getting your X's and O's, and afterwards, the winner has to clean it up. Simply with a tissue, just wipe it off. Maybe your child loves to draw. These little simple templates, creating your own cake or pizza or what's on your plate, might be extremely fun too. Is your child older? Maybe some crossword puzzles. Inside a sheet protector, it can be reusable for more fun later. Maybe your child's learning a new language. Sign language could be fun. This can all, again, be a simple kit that you can put together and have at your ready for any upcoming road trips or perhaps busy times that you need for your child. Be sure to subscribe to our Manlius Library YouTube channel or stop in and check out any new ideas at the Manlius Library.